peeps, today we are giving the Go Kill Flamingo some new shoes. We are getting some new tires. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4 tires on the back. Alright, and 2 on the front. We are changing all 6 of them. Well needed tire change. Look at that, look at that, look at that. These tires are burnt out, but don't judge us, don't judge us, don't judge us. These tires are hard to get. We have to wait. We had to wait till these tires were in stock for us, okay? So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well needed tire change. Don't judge us, as I said, okay? Yeah, so we're here at Tyre Warehouse. Big up the Tyre Warehouse. They're actually the only ones who stock these 12-inch tires. These tires are really hard to get, 12 inches. Alright, but Tyre Warehouse had them. So we are changing all 4 of them. Look at the tires. This is what's coming off the van. But you know, we all go through our struggles. You understand? Because the good thing is, we're putting some brand new tires on it. That's the good thing. These are the brand new tires. Woo! Check it out, check it out. Yo, I'm so excited to put these tires on the van. Yo, we've been waiting on these tires. These 12-inch tires are really hard to get. Big up the Tyre Warehouse. They were the only one. They were the only one who had these tires, okay? New tires in the front. New tires in the front also. Yeah, man.